Hi guys, I'm going to walk you through a couple of things with Photoshop. First, to open it up, I want you to come down here and it should be under Adobe and then Adobe Photoshop Elements 9. Then you wait for it to open up. I don't know what that means. It's okay. I'm waiting for it to open up and I will, then you click Edit. It's a big program, so you kind of have to wait. And once it's open up, the first thing you need to do, if you have not downloaded a Photoshop file, you need to come in here and open. The number one place where you're gonna find this is under Downloads. And I have tons of things downloaded because I grade assignments all the time. And the one trick I know is click Date Modified, and you'll see this is the last date. So this is the last thing I downloaded. So you can open up that file, and that's really helpful. If not, if you are in Google Chrome, it'll automatically show up at the bottom of the screen. If you're on Internet Explorer, then you're going to have to click to save it and then open it. A couple of different options. Once you have it open, you make some changes, whatever you need to do. Wonder what I was in. Whatever you need to do, and then you're great. So if you want to save it, you want to save as. And I don't use your organizer. You want to first make sure you know where you're saving it. So this is where your technology folder comes into a lot, is really handy. I'm going to save it as a JPEG, and that's what you need to save it as to submit it into Canvas. So again, Photoshop folder and save. And then click OK. This is telling you all sorts of things. You can change some of this for JPEG settings. JPEG is just a type of file. It's what pictures are. So if you have a picture anywhere, it's either a PNG or a JPEG, and both are fine. And it could be JPG or JPEG. Both are JPEG. If you're not done, which this assignment is not done, you can come down here and save it as a Photoshop file. And that is so that you can come back and keep editing. Whatever layers you have set, whatever tools you've used, everything is saved and you can keep going. So that's what the Photoshop file is about. Again, make sure you know where you're saving. Be in that technology folder in your documents. I just clicked this arrow right here and that brings us up to find my documents versus the downloads. I'm not going to save it right now. But that is the basics of Photoshop. So if you don't know, or if things aren't coming, come back to the video, watch it again, and it should work out.